Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make tamarind rice or puliyogare. Very delicious, easy and quick recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan and to this add a teaspoon of Channa Dhal, a teaspoon of Urad Dhal, a teaspoon of Coriander Seeds, half teaspoon of Fenugreek, 4 dried red chillies and a teaspoon of white sesame seeds. Dry roast all the ingredients for 5 minutes in low flame until they turn aromatic. Now the ingredients are nicely done, so off the flame and add quarter teaspoon of hing and mix it well. Let this cool completely. It will take about 15 minutes. Then grind it to a powder and keep it ready. Now heat the same pan and to this add a tablespoon of oil. To this add 2 teaspoons of peanuts. Fry this for 2 minutes in low flame. Then to this add a teaspoon of Channa Dhal and a teaspoon of Urad Dhal and fry for another 2 more minutes. Then add 2 dried red chillies, 2 green chillies and few curry leaves. Give it a quick salt. Then add 1 cup of thick tamarind juice. To this add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of hing and a teaspoon of salt. Mix it well and let this come to a boil. Now it's nicely boiling, so close with the lid and let this cook for 10 minutes in high flame. It's been 10 minutes now, so let's open and check. It's nice and thick now. Continue to cook for 2 more minutes. It's been 2 minutes now and our tamarind paste is nice, thick and ready. So off the flame and allow it to cool completely. I've taken 2 cups of steamed rice. The rice should not be sticky, it should be cooked just right. Now to this add 2 teaspoons of the powder we prepared. Give it a quick mix. Then to this add 2 tablespoons of the tamarind paste and mix it well. Now it's nicely mixed and our delicious tamarind rice or puliyogare is ready to enjoy. You can serve this nice and hot and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, quick and delicious recipe. So do try this tamarind rice or puliyogare recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.